Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. Now check this out. Lion Energy Safari Me Plus Kit. This is the brand new here. $2,000 if you have it. Very lightweight. Okay, that is pretty cool. They have this one. Actually, they have quite a bit here today. And then next to me, we have the Power 2-pack. These are power banks. Power on the go for your portable device. These are $80. You get two in here. Okay, brand new stuff. I feel like we're preparing. It's kind of weird. $270 right here. We have the portable power unit and solar panel. So here we go, the unit. It does have like a USB cord. And then I want to say this is going to be the solar case maybe. I saw a solar panel on the other side. Here's all the cords and everything with it. Airline approved. Okay, you can bring it on the airplane, I guess. $269. Here's every price right here. Okay, so on this side, they have box 1 of 4. So this whole set is going to be $4,000. It's different from the individual ones I was showing you. So box 1 of 4 is the solar generator right here, $3,000. And then we have the solar panel right here. I'll be box 2 of 4. And if you just want this by itself, it's $700. $11.99. You know, a lot of people love it, and of course you get 4.
Hi guys, is your membership on auto renew? You get this really cool.
$650. We have a patio swing. It does come with a canopy. It's what it looks like. And $1,350. This is a 7-piece sling dining set. I like these chairs. I just bought some chairs like this for the backyard, but I had to put cushion on them because it's only the back and the bottom you need a cushion. The patio heater, your limit is 5. Now this one ends April 2nd. It's on sale for $90 from $120, so $30 off. Blackstone griddle with hood and folding shelves. This one is $400. It is a 36-inch. $49.99. We have the insect killer lantern, 3-in-1 with flickering flame. So it looks like you could change the color patterns maybe. So they brought this one back. They always do. They have the lighter color and a darker light gray, which is really funny. They did change it up though on the description, because these used to say hand painted, and I'm like, this is no way this is hand painted, you know, unless they did like a rolling thing. I don't know, but now it just says painted finish for $22. $210 for the stand bag.
Yeah, they're in Buckeye. They're in.
By Kirkland, 680 thread count for $80, and this is for a king. $80 for a king, and if you're looking for a queen, it will be $70, so a price difference. So it's really windy in here, so that is going off. You can hear the wind chimes. $69. Well, they had the fans going today. And of course, by Martha Stewart, it's going to be $40. I don't think I've seen this print, but I know I've seen this blue one. And the microfiber 6-piece king will be a $20. And I want to say for a queen, $17. Yes, $17. It looks like this is the only guy. Nobody likes this guy. He looks like maybe a lamb, alpaca, not lamb, a llama. Nobody likes him. $13. And only $15. We have Jane and Blinker. These are going to be the short, really cute tie-dye one. One has like pink stars for $15. And the belt bag will be $15 here. in the Costco. I see a lot of people wear this. Like maybe this is a Lululemon dupe. I don't know. I just know a lot of people love the Lululemon bag. And an 80 quart patio cooler, $130. And then you have your little pop tab, a drainage plug. $15.99 infant 3-piece overalls. These are new. These are overalls? Oh, coveralls. Okay, I'm like, what? Look at, they have a cute dinosaur one. Look at the little legs on them. So dinos, and a really bright and colorful. I love this pop of yellow, purple, and pink mixed together. Really, really cute. We have like the flowers. This purple one just flowers. There's also a ladybug. Snaps, they are $4.99. No limit, ends on the 26th, you guys. Honey bunches of oats are $5.59. Your limit is 10. Ends April 2nd. The waffles, they are $10.99 and you get 8. Yeah, I think I bought this before. Did we buy this before?
I think we did, and they're really good.
They are good. Make some chicken and waffles. Waffles are done for you. Okay, look, they have a big bag of candy. Might be for Easter. $18.99. Normally you don't see big bags of candy like that in my Costco. 19 bucks. And then next to me, this looks new. $10. Oh my s'mores. Mini marshmallow and crushed honey graham crackers. Okay. You can also bake s'mores like in your cast iron or even pop it in the oven. This is 10. Cheese and crackers are $7.99. No limit, ends March 26th. And only $12.89, ends April 2nd. Skinny Pop organic popcorn is $4.99, so 5, ends April 2nd. And there is no, actually, your limit is 10. $7.49. Sparkling blush. Okay, of course you get 3 here. $12.79. We have Kevin's teriyaki style chicken stir fry. Okay, ready in 5 minutes. 2 pounds right here, fully cooked, gluten-free, without antibiotics. $12.79. I'm kind of not a fan of Kevin's. I know, I'm so sorry. Sorry, Kevin. Okay, the peanut butter pie finally made it to my Costco. Butter and graham crust, peanut butter cream, 20 bucks. It looks kind of fancy, but my husband made one last year for like Christmas. It was pretty good. New in the dog department, $10.99. Little spring toy fun. Oh, these are not the ones that you could put a bottle in. They're just like the tug of war with the string. So the Pike and Maine full queen headboard, the wooden one, went down in price. $125. Used to be like 3 something. Then I know it went down to 2, so now it's $125. The all-in-one, a 5-piece set, is going to be $48. Dishwasher safe, oven safe up to 400. I mean, I don't even put pans in dishwashers, but that's not it. That's the wall. Here we go. I guess you can like steam and everything, but somebody said these are not good for you. $48. Alright, you guys, I think that is it for my Costco. I didn't realize how large they were. Are these the actual size from the for your shoes? Those are pretty big.
Yeah.
I wasn't picturing like that. And they all fit in this box? Huh. Oh, well, they're collapsible.
Yeah, that's
Alright. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Hold on. I spotted something new on my way out. Sea and sand. What is that? $20? Oh, you get diffusers. Okay. You get 3 in here. That smells kind of good. There's 2 different types to choose from.